In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho CRM and set up two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security to your account. First things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. It's always best to use a reliable browser like Chrome for accessing secure sites, and Zoho CRM is no different. Enter the Zoho CRM URL into the address bar and press enter. When the page loads, you'll be greeted by the login screen. Here, you need to enter your credentials, your email and password associated with your Zoho account. It's crucial to remember to keep your password confidential and robust for maintaining security. Once you're logged into your Zoho CRM account, head over to the Setup section. You'll typically find this option by looking for an icon or menu in the top right corner, often symbolized by a wrench or a gear icon. Click on it to open the Setup menu. Now from the Setup menu, locate Security Control. This is the area where you can manage different facets of your account's security. By clicking here, you ensure you're about to enhance your account's protection settings. After accessing the Security Control section, look for the two-factor authentication option. This setting is critical because two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA, offers an invaluable extra layer of security when logging into your account. By requiring not just a password, but also something only you have, like your phone, it makes unauthorized access significantly harder. Click on two-factor authentication to proceed to the next steps. To enable two-factor authentication for your account, look for the option to activate or turn it on. This will initiate the process of setting up 2FA. You'll now be guided through a series of prompts that will help you link your phone or an authentication app to your Zoho CRM account. If you choose to use your phone, you might receive a text message or be prompted to scan a QR code with an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. It's important to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure proper configuration. Having these apps installed on your phone beforehand can make the process smoother. After linking the app or phone to your account, complete the setup by following any additional prompts. You might need to enter a test code generated by the app to finish the process. This step ensures everything is working correctly. Once done, try logging out and then logging back in to test the newly enabled two-factor authentication. You'll notice that after entering your password, you'll be prompted to enter a security code from your phone or app. And there you have it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Zoho CRM account, adding an invaluable layer of security. Keeping your account secure is an ongoing process, and setting up 2FA is a significant step in the right direction.